today we will be going through sort of my thought process for my fourth rotation project. Um, so for this project, it's like more computationally heavy than wet lab heavy, and at least for now. Um, so the plan is to try and create a data set of genes and their variants related to microtubules and diseases. Um, so we want to look at a bunch of different genomic websites and then pull information for a specific gene. Uh, so you can imagine like NIH, NCBI, variant. There's also DB there, and there's a lot of genomic sources out there to get uh, you know genomic information. So I started this project and I'm like, okay, let's go, right? So I'm using ChatGPT 4.0 mini. Um, I am very lucky to have the privilege to access a lot of AIs through uh, Vanderbilt University. Okay, so I went in, I'm like, okay, tell me the best language for web scraping or API collection and synthesis. And it spits out a bunch of things. I kind of attempted to do this in Python, but I found it kind of uh, complicated. I don't want to do it in R. I don't know what JavaScript I've heard a lot about. I know a bunch of people who do know it, and so I just haven't had the opportunity to learn it. And then Go, I don't know what it is, and Ruby, I don't care. Okay, so I said, tell me more about JavaScript and Go. So it gives me sort of why I should choose either package. And reading through this, I'd like to have something that's more like user friendly. Like I want to make some type of interface where you can type in a gene and then it will spit out a bunch of information from these different genomic resources. So, because I want a user, I think it's probably better to use JavaScript because it is ideal for scraping dynamic content. So, like, these databases get updated every day. So, I want that in place. It also lets me interact more with like websites. Like I know I'm starting to learn HTML, and for my website, which if you guys haven't checked it out, uh, just the website, I'm pretty happy about it. I like design everything. Things don't look clickable, but they are. And yeah, so I had a lot of fun making it, and so I'm like, yeah, let's learn JavaScript. Go didn't sound super great. Just the advantages weren't really compelling to me. So I decided to go with JavaScript, and then this is my next prompt, and this is what I will do for around an hour before doing any type of project. I love using large learning models to give me tips on how to start projects. Um, it's really helpful for trying to catch up on all that background. So I'm just testing the waters here. I wasn't sure if it could give me training. Um, okay, this isn't exactly what I want. So people learn best by doing, right? So let's see an example. Because this is what you're actually going to be looking at, right? Like this is what you want to know. You can't go and start coding when you don't know what it looks like. Um, so this is HTML. So I think the way Java works, and maybe people will yell at me, but I'm pretty sure it works with HTML documents and also with Markdown uh, documents. And then you have a separate document that's just for scripts. So yeah, so the script will reference uh, this document. So I think like you end it here, like that. Yeah, I think. So I asked it for the code to start this user interface thing. I will usually, it looks all right. I'll usually take that and then go and see if it'll work in some code environment. Oh, see, that's annoying. Um, this is not what I wanted. Can I downvote this answer? Oh my gosh, calm down. Jeez. Um, I think I have to go and download Anaconda. So, let's do that. Mhm. This is specifically for like prompt engineering. Um, Apparently, you can just like code up your prompt so it includes everything that you want. Um, but I don't know how to do that. Damn it. Okay, so I've been having okay, so this isn't working, but you guys know at least I also want to try this. So this is specifically with ChatGPT 4, but I also wanted to use DeepSeek just to test it out. People have been talking about it. Um, so anyway, so for prompt engineering, you really just want I like chat because it usually refers back to the question that you asked before it. So like um, the reason why I got annoyed with this is that this is just quote coding environment definition and not the coding environment that it showed here. So, or where this could work into, right? So uh, I asked it to be more specific. I think there's also key terms that you want to use that are helpful. I know if you put please in your thing, like even though it's kind of like boomer vibes, it seems like you get better responses. That's probably because of the data that it's trained on. Um, Better, I don't know, information is probably more polite. I don't know. Um, I don't say thank you though. What else? Usually I tell it that that's not correct for something. So I think it should update, but I'm not sure. Uh, right now, the program is really focusing on sort of how to use AI in your career and as a researcher. And uh, so this is like a big part of that, um, at least for the moment. Yeah, okay. Thanks for watching.